Monday morning, folks, and welcome to a brand new episode of Finmet Mondays. Last week's price action was mainly characterized by a big pull down towards 2300 levels and then a consolidation in this 2300 area. Let's look at what are the factors that contributed to that and also what the technical outlook for next week looks like. On Tuesday, 30th of April, we saw a $40 drop from 2335 levels all the way to 2285. This support here, which was earlier 2289, helped gold prices stabilize and gave it a leg up to kind of hold at these current levels. We have revised this support level at 2275 after seeing last week's price action, but fundamentally, this zone around 2275 to 2290 remains as a strong buying zone for the metal, where prices are going to continue to hold at least in the coming week for a few more days. From the price action, it is pretty evident that markets have reached a top and there is some level of consolidation that is taking place. The question that arises is this consolidation going to continue and up till when? Or are we going to see another leg up, just like how we saw in March, where markets were going in a frenzy? So at the moment, it looks like markets are in a very narrow descending channel. There's almost a flag pattern that you can see that is being formed right over here, where markets are thinly moving across it. The support at 2275 is providing some cushion for the metal. If this 2275 is broken, the 2207 support is the next immediate support that will come in play. This is the major support that gold bulls will hold on to. You can also see this 50-day moving average line over here that is somewhere around 2240 and will continue to move and traverse around 2240 to 2245. This is another intermediate support where you could see a potential stop in this gold price corrective action. What gold bulls will be looking for is a break and a challenge above A, this ascending channel, and B, above this 2353 resistance. Both of these points are very much required. Both of these breaks are very much required for us to see again that move up that we saw back in March. Silver's movement is very much similar to gold. There are two supports here that we may need to look at. One is the 26 level and one is the 24.5. And on the flip side, there are two resistances, which is 27.7 and 29.06. If I remove this fib retracement line, you will see that the channel that we saw in gold is also being formed in silver. Just that with silver, you have the 50-day moving average also providing a strong area of support over here. So it's not just the retracement, you also have support from the moving average line here. As an update on the interest rate outlook at the end of this week, the June interest rate meeting is looking more and more unlikely for an interest rate cut. Those bets have now moved greater to September. September looks like the most likely month where we might have 25 basis point interest rate cut. The probability of that is currently at 48.8%, and it is likely to increase as we may see some softening of US economic data. Well, thanks, guys. Hope that was insightful and helpful for the coming week. Let's look at how the markets shape up. But till then, thank you so much and goodbye.